it's Katie from Safewise here to show you a basic setup for an IP security camera. Most cameras, like this Blink Mini, use Wi-Fi and a mobile app to help you watch over your home. Whether you got a security camera as a gift or you aren't quite sure what to do with one you already have, I wanted to show you what a simple setup looks like. App language and icons may differ from brand to brand, but in general they follow three simple steps: powering on, pairing up, and settling in. So let's get started. Nothing's going to work if you don't have power to your camera or the right app downloaded. Indoor and outdoor cameras use different power methods. There are batteries, solar panels, and cables like the one the Blink Mini uses. During this step, you're just making sure that the camera is receiving the power it needs. So plug it in and watch for the indicator lights to come on. Then download the app associated with your camera. In my case today, it's the Blink app. You can usually find the right app through the QR code on the packaging or a logo. And if you're brand new to the product, you might also have to sign in or create an account once the app is downloaded. Once you have an active account, you're ready to add your new camera to the app and your home Wi-Fi. This is the Blink app, but all of this applies to other popular brands like Ring, Lorex, Eufy, Nest, and many, many more. First, you'll add your camera to the app. Check for a plus sign or add a new device option. The exact language may vary, but the spirit is the same. You're adding a new camera. Once you find that command, select it and find your camera from a list of available devices. Here's mine, Blink Mini. From there, the app will walk you through the setup. This may include scanning QR codes on the device or using your camera to scan the QR code from the app. In Blink's case, I scanned a QR code on the back of my camera. The app recognizes it as a Blink Mini device. All of this links your app to the exact device in your home. Next, you'll connect to Wi-Fi. An internet connection makes it possible to check on your camera remotely. Sometimes your camera will create a temporary network to get started. That's what the Blink is doing here. Once that connection's established, you can choose your Wi-Fi network from the list in the app. Be sure that the network band you're using is compatible with the camera. Most cameras like this one use a 2.4 GHz band instead of 5 GHz. The app or the camera will tell you if it's successful. Once it does, you can see live feed from the camera. Between this step and watching over your home, though, you might get firmware updates or an app walkthrough to help you get to know everything a little better. Finally, it's time to find a home for your camera. Check the live view to get a good idea of where your camera gets the best vantage point. Indoor and outdoor cams often come with mounting kits, so doing this first is a good way to check before you start drilling. The best spots have a clear, unobstructed view of what you want to watch, whether it's the baby's crib, an entryway, a hallway, or an entire room. You'll also want to make sure that the spot is close to a power outlet if your camera is wired. If you're installing an indoor camera like this one, choose a flat spot on a table, shelf, or cabinet away from direct sunlight. Or if you're mounting it to the wall, use a mounting template to help you keep everything straight. Now again, this is a super general overview for installing a security camera, but it applies to most indoor and outdoor models on the market. We've dropped links in the description to some of our favorite security cameras, so take a look at our best of lists to see what's out there. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, let us know in the comments so we can make more like it. Thanks for watching and stay safe.
Thanks for watching. And if you want more safety, head over to safewise.com and you can find reviews and our lineups of best home security systems, best wireless cameras, and more. Stay safe.